Hello guys and welcome to the channel. This is chapter number 7 of the audiobooks, that is Comptroller and Auditor General of India. The CAG's office comes under the Article 148 of the Constitution. The Comptroller and Auditor General is the head of the Indian Audit and Accounts Department. He is appointed by the President and holds office for a period of 6 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Next point. He resigns by writing it to the President, but he can be removed by the President through a similar procedure or grounds as that of a judge of a Supreme Court. Resolution passed to that effect by both the Houses of Parliament with special majority. He does not hold his office till the pleasure of President. Next point. The salaries and other service conditions are determined by the Parliament. His salary is equal to that of a judge of a Supreme Court, and the salaries and allowances is charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. Next subheading, duties and powers. Under Article 149, which authorizes the Parliament to prescribe duties of the Comptroller and Auditor General, which are: number 1, he audits the accounts of expenditure from the Consolidated Fund of India plus the Consolidated Fund of States plus Union Territories having Legislative Assembly. Number 2, he audits the Contingency Fund of India plus the Public Accounts of India plus the public accounts of each state. Number 3, he audits all the trading or other transactions under the business of center and states. Number 4, the audits receipts and expenditures of following. Number 1, point A, all bodies of authorities financed by center and state government. Point B, government companies. Next point, he audits the accounts of any other authority when requested by the President or Governor, for example, local bodies. Next point, Article 150, under which he advises the President with regards to prescription of the form in which the accounts of center or states to be kept. Next, Article 151. He submits an audit report of accounts of center to President, which put forwards to both the Houses of Parliament. Similarly, in case of state government. Next point, Article 279. He ascertains and certifies the net proceeds of any tax or duties. Basically, net proceeds is equal to tax duty minus the cost of collection. The CAG reports. There are basically 3 reports that the Comptroller and Auditor General has to submit. That is, appropriation accounts, audit report on finance accounts, and audit reports on public undertakings, which is presented to the President, and the President present these reports to both the Houses of the Parliament, and the Public Accounts Committee examines them after that. Next point, the Comptroller and Auditor General can also conduct the propriety audit, that is, he can look into wisdom, faithfulness, and economy of the government expenditure and comment on wastefulness and extravagance of such expenditure. This audit is discretionary. Discretionary means it depends on the Comptroller and Auditor General officer. The next point, the Secret Service expenditure is a limitation on the audit role of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Next point, the CAG in India fulfills the role of an Auditor General only and not that of a comptroller means he has no control over the issue of money from the Consolidated Fund of India. Next subheading, CAG and corporations. Some corporations are audited totally and directly by the CAG. Example, Damodar Valley Corporation, ONGC, Indian Airlines. Next point, some are audited by private auditors appointed by the central government and the CAG, whereas CAG can conduct supplementary audits. Next point, some are audited completely by private players, auditors without any part of the CAG. Next point, 1968, an audit board was established as part of the office of CAG. Important articles of the lesson. Article 148, the office of Comptroller and Auditor General. Article 149, the duties and power of Comptroller and Auditor General. Article 150, formation of accounts of union and states. Article 151, audit reports. So this was all about the chapter of Comptroller and Auditor General of India. We'll see you in the next audio lesson. Thank you.